Building self-confidence. Building self-confidence is a gradual process that requires consistent effort and self-awareness. Here are the top 10 tips to help you gain self-confidence. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and understanding toward yourself. Acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and experiences setbacks. Instead of being overly critical, treat yourself with the same compassion and empathy you would offer to a friend. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and realistic goals for yourself. Start with small, attainable targets and gradually work toward more significant milestones. Each accomplishment builds confidence and motivates you to take on bigger challenges. Identify your strengths. Recognize your unique strengths, talents, and accomplishments. Focus on what you excel at and use these strengths to your advantage in various situations. Knowing your capabilities boosts self-assurance. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. View failure as a stepping stone to growth and learning. Understand that setbacks are a natural part of the journey toward success. Analyze the lessons learned from each failure and use them to improve and grow. Practice positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and self-doubt by replacing them with positive affirmations and constructive self-talk. Encourage yourself. Remind yourself of your past successes, and visualize yourself succeeding in future endeavors. Step out of your comfort zone. Push yourself to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Taking on challenges that scare you can be empowering and lead to personal growth. Embrace discomfort as an opportunity to expand your confidence. Seek feedback and constructive criticism. Request feedback from others and be open to constructive criticism. Constructive feedback provides valuable insights and areas for improvement, helping you grow and build confidence in your abilities. Practice visualization. Use visualization techniques to see yourself succeeding in various situations. Picture yourself confidently handling challenges and achieving your goals. This mental rehearsal can boost your belief in your capabilities. Surround yourself with supportive people. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and support you. Positive influences can help you see your worth and potential, while toxic relationships can undermine your confidence. Choose your social circle wisely. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Celebrating your achievements reinforces positive behavior and fosters a sense of accomplishment, which contributes to growing self-confidence. Remember, building self-confidence is a journey that takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, stay committed to personal growth, and celebrate the progress you make along the way. Embrace the process of self-discovery and celebrate the unique qualities that make you who you are.